pretty scary, guys. Who gave her this international permit? Are you on the right? You're supposed to be... Yeah. You're right. Can you drop me off at the MRT?
光の中映し出す無邪気に彩られたその瞳 Yeah 素朴な日々を満たす君がいるだけで Yeah ありがちなシナリオ頭の中駆け巡らせて流行る気持ちを洗い飛ばして
We are at the airport again, but this time not to fly out. We're actually picking up a car today for a rental. We booked it through Kloop, and we were given instructions to meet them here on gate 5, departure. Then I believe they're gonna take you to a different parking lot, and then that's where you're gonna pick up the car.
正義も悪もいなくて月と星がダンスして響き合う静かな光の中映し出す無邪気に彩られたその瞳 Yeah 素朴な日々を満たす君がいるだけ
Do we need to like turn it?
Turn right. Oh, turn left. Turn left.
Turn left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Head north, then turn left.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, are you on the right? You're supposed to be... Yeah. You're right. Turn right on the next street.
This one?
Yeah.
Take the next right, then turn left.
Left.
At the light, turn left.
Can you drop me off at the MRT?
We should just send it to Family Mart.
We still can.
Oh yeah, let's
You go straight, yeah.
just so we can adjust.
Adjust all the mirrors.
Yeah.
So this is interesting, you guys. By the way, the lane for us is right here, okay?
Yeah.
No, I mean like when you go straight, it's right there.
I'm all like...
Yeah, exactly.
Half the money's gonna come from chicken.
I know.
It's a entire trip.
Alright, how about you make a U-turn and then you return the car? It's fun. They can keep our money. We take the MRT. It's fun though.
Yeah.
That's roomy. Alright. Right, Ty? And Ty's like above 6-footer. Dude, like my knee is touching the dashboard.
We're like on a Mario Kart. I can go straight, right?
I think so. Right there.
It's so weird.
Isn't it?
This is so weird. I'm still not used to the hand.
In 200 meters, turn right.
This is perfect.
Yeah. First one on the list.
Turn right.
We made it, guys! Our first destination after getting the car. Gotta take advantage. Where's
Your
that?
destination is on the right.
Here it is.
A&W.
See if it's as good as it looks. There's onion rings inside. And you know I love onion rings. Oh wow. It looks like there's actually some ham as well. And the crunch of the onion rings. It's amazing, guys. They used to have A&W back at home in California. But it's so funny because I've never been to one. And now that they're gone, I'm having it in Okinawa. I wish I've tried it before so I gotta have something to compare with. But this, guys, is amazing.
does it taste like?
Apple lollipops.
Does it taste like an apple lollipop? Confirm.
Let's see. Oh yeah,
Different?
it has the fake flavor.
Like apple flavor lollipop.
Yeah. Here, let's try this.
Oh yeah, that does look like an apple lollipop.
Now we're gonna try to get out of here real quick.
Then make a U-turn.
Watch out. Okay, man. It's scaring us.
Sorry. It's trying to reverse. I had it in the wrong one. Sorry.
Jack,
What?
I saw your actions.
I'm just closing my eyes. Can we just go return the car now? So I counted so far, guys, 10. Marin's trying to turn left or right, and the wipers automatically turns on.
I'm learning like a new muscle memory, okay?
Yeah. So anyways, this is pretty scary, you guys.
Like
Who gave her this international permit? She shouldn't have any permit to drive. We're trying to pull out of the parking lot earlier, but she pulled out too far to the lane. People could sideswipe us, so she tried to go reverse. And then look, the reverse is right here. Oh, they're after us. But anyways, she put it on neutral. Oh my god, and we're like going downhill towards the street. All I heard is, oh, but we're going forward instead of reverse. And then, dude, I shut down. I froze.
that's what I was like.
Dad, are you okay? Dad's unconscious. But then I was closing my eyes praying. Oh my god, like I think Kona's right when he said, I think all our money's gonna be gone on tickets. Oh, see that? See that? She's about to turn this again. Like, see? This is what happened. This is pretty entertaining, guys. Scary, but entertaining. It's like you're watching a movie. If you're not part of it, you would laugh. But since we're part of this, it's kind of scary and funny at the same time. I don't know proper etiquette out here when driving, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
We're learning as we go. But I'm really proud of Marian because she has the guts to actually do this. In Philippines, I won't let her drive because it's crazier than here. Honestly, there's more motorcycles, more traffic, and you gotta be aggressive out there. Whereas here, it's like American driving. It's just the opposite. And then like the sign is in Japanese, English. It's not that complicated.
Just gotta like change your muscle memory to opposite.
Yeah. Okay, so here's our hotel right there.
Okay, so we're here parking. This is the parking garage at our hotel. Okinawan family, yay!